Good afternoon, folks. My name is Lonnie.Bowers here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Beautiful day here to show you this 2021 Coachmen Brookstone 310RL. Fifth wheel. Beautiful coach. Huge, wide open underbelly storage. Frameless windows. Less likely to leak. Much easier to open than the old sliders. Got a full patio awning. Middle entrance. You've got opposing slides for your living and dining and your kitchen, and then you have a slide out in the bedroom. This particular unit has two awnings, one here that you can see I'm standing in and another one over the slide out in the front. Lights under that awning. You also have topper awnings on all of your slide outs to keep debris and stuff off of the top of your slides so your seals last much longer. This coach is solar ready. Big thing about these, about the Brookstone, I love them. You got radiant barrier insulation all the way surrounding the coach. You got Asdel on the inside walls, which keeps moisture from getting into the coach from your propane heat. You won't mildew, mold, rot, or delaminate, which is a great feature on a motorhome, or fifth wheel, or trailer. Has roof storage, full walkable roof, ladder on the rear, tight turn radius for towing. Solid steps, which are much nicer than the older style. They have adjustable legs, so if you are on uneven ground, you can adjust them so you avoid the trip hazard or the falling hazard on your stairs. Keeps them level. Folks, the first thing you're going to notice when you walk into this coach is the kitchen. The nice big double door refrigerator, huge center island. As you walk around the center island, you'll see the nice large oven, 3-burner stove, and a large microwave convection. You'll notice that there's 4 drawers of storage on either side of the oven and a nice big pot and pan drawer underneath. You've got nice deep storage above the refrigerator as well as on either side and above the convection oven. You also have nice 4 large drawers on the center island and 2 cabinets underneath the double sink. Nice deep stainless steel double sink. You have good flow in this coach. Nice open floor plan. As you walk around the center island, you'll come into the living area. Nice large television and entertainment center along with underneath a very large electric fireplace that will heat this coach. In the back, nice big windows for a view, large couch, does fold out into a bed. In your dining slide, you have dining room table and chairs and 2 nice Thomas Paine recliners that also have heat and massage after those long days. To the right of the refrigerator, you have your pantry. In the back of the coach, as you walk up the steps, to the left is going to be your bathroom. Nice open bathroom, solid surface countertops throughout. Nice big walk-in shower. Also, as you walk into the bedroom, you have a nice big king-size bed. There is underbed storage. There's also a chest of drawers on the right, across from the bed. And in the back, you have a nice big closet with lots of hanging space. And to the right of that, you have another closet for hanging. Also set up for washer and dryer if you decided you needed that. The overall coach is very spacious, very beautiful, well built. You also have some nice deep cabinets above the rear couch and above the television for storage, drink holders on either side. Just nice big windows. It's a nice coach. For a small coach, 310RL, it has lots of room. You will not feel cramped. You'll feel like you're at home. Wonderful thing for when you're out camping. Along with the underbelly storage, this coach has a 4-point auto leveling system. Makes it much nicer when you get to park where you're going to park. You just push a button and let it do its thing. Much easier, saves you from cranking, trying to level it on your own. Just push a button. Very simple. My name is Lonnie.Bowers. If you don't ask for me, I can't help you. Thanks for coming out. We appreciate your time and hope to see you soon.